So children, let's continue our part B. In this part, we are going to start with letter formation. Then we are going to do one activity, and after that we are going to complete our course book and application book pages. Okay, let's start. Children, tell me, which letter is this? Correct, this is letter P. Sound is P. And now let's start the tracing of letter. Here we have to join the lines. Let's start. Standing line and a curve from top till the middle and a curve. This is capital letter P. Capital letter P. Sound is P. Now small letter P. Standing line and a curve. Sound is P. This is capital letter and this is small letter P. Children, this is our activity time. We are going to trace letter on rangoli powder. I have taken rangoli. You can also take salt, talcum powder, sand, semolina, that is suji, or any of the flour. Let's start. We have to use our tarjani finger. This is our tarjani finger. We also call it as our index finger. Let's start. Standing line, curve from top to center. This is capital letter P. This is capital letter P. Standing line and a curve till the center. This is small letter P. The sound of letter P is P. Let's open our course book B, page number 3. Let's read the question. Question A. Trace the letters capital letter P and small letter p with your finger. Color the letters. Children, here we have to trace capital and small letter P with our finger and we have to color the letters. Okay? Let's start. We have to start from the given point. Standing line, curve. Capital letter P, capital letter P. Now small letter p, standing line and a curve. This is small letter p, capital letter P, small letter p. Sound is P. Question B. Trace the letters capital letter P and small letter p. Here we have to trace the letter. Let's read. Question B. Trace the letters capital letter P and small letter p. Here we have to trace. This is capital letter and we are going to trace it. Standing line and a curve. This is capital letter P. Standing line and a curve. Capital letter P. We will trace small letter p by saying the sound. One page will look like this. Now let's read letter P sound vocabulary. Penguin, pumpkin, pineapple, pencil, plant, peacock. Children, let's open page number 4. Let's read question A. Dip the eraser side of the pencil in paint and stamp in the image to make a pineapple. Children, as you can see, there is no color in this pineapple. We are going to make a beautiful pineapple. How? We are going to dip the eraser side of the pencil in paint and we are going to stamp it in the image to make a pineapple. So let's start. What we are going to do is we are going to dip the eraser side of the pencil. This is pencil. This is the eraser side. I have dipped the eraser side of pencil in yellow paint and I am going to stamp it in the image to make a pineapple. Let's start. We have to stamp it properly, neatly, nicely and properly. One by one. So after stamping it properly, let it dry. Leave it to dry. Let's read question B. Write capital letter P under green pumpkins and small letter P under yellow pumpkins. Children, as you can see, there are some yellow pumpkins and some green pumpkins. We have to write capital letter P under green pumpkins. Capital letter P. Let's start. We are going to start from this red line till the second blue line. Capital letter P. Standing line and a curve from top till the center. This is capital letter P. From red line till the second blue line. Capital letter P. And we are going to write small letter P under yellow pumpkins. These are yellow pumpkins. So we are going to write small letter P from this second blue line till this red line. Let's start. Standing line and a curve in between. This is small letter P, standing line and a curve from top till the center. This is small letter P, standing line and a curve. Sound of P is P. Let's read question C. Try this out. Make a parrot using your fingerprint. Children, you have to make a parrot like this. Using your fingers, you have to dip your finger in watercolor and let it dry. After that, you have to draw the lines like this and make a parrot look like this. You have to complete pages by yourself and post it in Google Classroom. First you have to write date here. the pictures that begin with the letter P. Trace and write P. Children, first we have to tick the picture that begin with letter P. Let's start. Tell me, which picture is this? Correct. This is picture of a parrot. Parrot start with letter P. So what we are going to do? Correct. We are going to tick. Okay. Which picture is this? This is picture of orange. Orange start with letter O. So we are not going to put a tick mark here, because we are going to put a tick only for the pictures that begin with letter P. Now next, which picture is this? This is a penguin. Penguin starts with letter P. So we are going to make a tick mark. Okay. Now let's trace letter P. Standing line and a curve. Letter P. Your page will look like this. Now let's trace letter P. Standing line and a curve. Standing line and a curve. Letter P. Your page will look like this. Page number 81. Let's start. Here you have to write date. Let's read the instructions. Cross out the incorrect P's. Trace and write P. Here we are going to cross. This is sign of cross. Here we are going to cross the incorrect P's. Let's start. Is this letter P? No. So what we are going to do is we are going to put a cross. We have to cross only the incorrect P's. Okay. This P is correct. So we are not going to put a cross. Is this P correct? Yes. Are we going to put a cross? No, because P's are written correctly. Is this letter P? No. What we are going to do is we are going to cross it out. Is this letter P? No. What we are going to do? Cross. Is this letter P? No. So cross it. Is this letter P? No. What we are going to do? Cross. Cross. Is this letter P? Yes, it's correctly written. So we are not going to cross it. Is this letter P? No. What we are going to do? We are going to cross it. Okay. This is P. This is correctly written. So we are not going to put a cross. We will trace small letter P by saying the sound. Children, first write date here. Let's read the instructions. Paste any two pictures that begin with the letter P. Trace and write P. Children, here you have to paste two pictures of your choice that begin with letter P. I have these two pictures. This is picture of a parrot and this is picture of a pencil. I have pasted these two pictures here. You can also paste any of the two pictures of your choice. We will trace small letter P by saying the sound. Children, we have done with letter P. Revise the sound. Trace the letter by saying the sound. Post the images in Google Classroom. Bye.